AI will bring you tons of leads because lead generation in 2025 has transformed completely. In this video, you'll see how AI can find, qualify, and convert leads for you effortlessly. Now, you should realize, if you're still doing lead generation the old way, you're wasting time and money. But don't worry, I'm gonna break down the best AI tools that will do the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on closing deals instead of chasing bad leads. Let's get into it. Step 1. AI is changing the game. A few years ago, lead generation meant digging through LinkedIn, buying email lists, and manually reaching out to potential customers. It was slow, inefficient, and full of guesswork. Now, AI has completely transformed how businesses find and connect with leads. These tools can, number 1, identify website visitors and turn them into leads. Number 2, automate outreach with emails, SMS, and even LinkedIn messages. Number 3, qualify leads so you only focus on people actually interested in your offer. Instead of spending hours searching for prospects, AI does it for you in seconds. Step 2, best AI tools for lead generation. Let's talk about the top tools that will help you get more leads with less effort. Number 1, Customers AI. Most businesses have tons of people visiting their website, but the problem is they leave without taking action. Customers.ai fixes that by identifying who's on your site, pulling their contact info, and helping you follow up automatically. Let's say you run a marketing agency. Someone visits your page, looks at your services, but doesn't fill out a contact form. Normally, that lead is lost. But with Customers.ai, you get their business email, phone number, and even job title. So you can reach out and turn them into a paying client. Number 2, Apollo. If you do B2B sales, Apollo is a must-have. It has a massive database of over 210 million contracts, meaning you can search for leads based on industry, job title, company size, and more. For example, if you sell software to real estate companies, you can instantly pull a list of real estate brokers in California who own agencies with more than 10 employees. Instead of sending emails to random people, you're targeting exactly the right audience. Number 3, Drift. Ever made a visit to a website and had a chatbot pop up? Well, in 2025, these aren't just bots. They're AI sales reps that qualify leads, answer questions, and even schedule sales calls for you. Drift is one of the best tools for this. If you sell high-ticket services, an AI chatbot can gather info on a potential customer and only send the best leads to your sales team. No more wasting time on dead-end conversations. And we also have some incredible things for you, so you can master AI even faster. Our short video tutorial on how to create your own chatbot using another great AI tool. You can find it on our channel or via the link in the description. Step 3. Instantly. AI-powered cold emailing. Cold emailing still works, but only if you do it the right way. Most people fail because they send bad emails to the wrong people, and their messages go straight to spam. Instantly fix this by automating everything. Number 1, finds verified leads that match your target audience. Number 2, warms up your email accounts so you don't get flagged as spam. Number 3, sends AI-optimized email sequences to increase replies. Let's say you run a web design agency. Instead of guessing who needs a new website, instantly helps you find business owners whose websites haven't been updated in years. Then automatically sends emails that get responses. It's one of the best tools for cold email outreach. And if you want to learn more about email marketing, check out our video, Cold Emails Setting Up Pro Tips. Step 4. Automate your LinkedIn outreach with CoPilot AI. If you do B2B sales, LinkedIn is where the money is. But messaging people one by one is slow and exhausting. That's where CoPilot AI comes in. This tool, number 1, finds the best leads on LinkedIn based on job title, industry, and engagement. Number 2, sends AI-generated messages that feel natural and not spammy. Number 3, follows up automatically so you never lose a potential sale. Instead of spending hours every day messaging people, CoPilot AI does it for you. Step 5, LeadZen AI. Find leads in real time. Sometimes you need fresh leads who are actively looking for a solution right now. That's what LeadZen AI specializes in. It tracks real-time data to find businesses that are, number 1, hiring for specific roles, number 2, expanding their services, number 3, launching new products, and so on. For example, if you're a business consultant, you can find companies that just raised funding and are looking to scale. These are the leads who need your help the most. AI is completely changing the game for lead generation in 2025. Let's recap. Customers AI helps you turn website visitors into leads. Apollo gives you millions of B2B contracts to target. Drift uses AI chatbots to close leads while you sleep. Instantly automates cold email outreach for better results. CoPilot AI does LinkedIn prospecting for you. LeadZen AI finds hot leads in real time. If you want to generate more leads faster and smarter, AI is the way to go. And if you're serious about making money with AI, check out our video, How to Become a Millionaire in 2025 Using AI, where we break down how people are using AI to build profitable businesses. Drop a comment below and tell me which AI tool you're most excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth marketing and business strategies.